In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed SurveyMonkey in the website. Now, the first thing you have to do when you sign into your account, you want to go to Home and All Surveys, and you want to select the survey you want to embed. So I'm going to go with the sports one over here for an example, and then what you want to do, you want to go from your designer into Publish Survey, okay? So here you'll be able to find your collectors, and we have to create a new collector for the embed. So I'm going to click on Add New Collector, and here it says Website, and then embed the survey on your website. So click on that, and then from here you'll be able to select what you want to do. So if you want an embedded survey, embedded button, pop-up invitation, or pop-up survey. So it's up to you. I'm just going to do embedded survey. I'm going to click on here, and then it's going to start loading, and it's going to give me an embed code. There we go, which I can copy. So I'm going to click on copy, and then you can go to your website, add a code block, or of course whatever you want to do. I have this tester over here just to demonstrate, so I'm going to paste it in here, and you'll see that the preview is going to look like this, and it's going to actually be my survey from SurveyMonkey, and people are going to be able to actually finish it from the website itself. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.